The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 was launched globally on Wednesday alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. The clamshell foldable is equipped with an Exynos 2500 SoC and features a redesigned cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Flip 6. The phone sports a 4.1-inch edge-to-edge display, replacing the previous folder-shaped screen, and it is also one of the first Samsung phones to ship with Android 16 based on One UI 8. When unfolded, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 measures just 6.5 mm in thickness, which is slimmer than the Galaxy Z Flip 6 6.9 mm profile. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 gets a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X main foldable display and a 4.1-inch Super AMOLED cover screen. Both panels offer up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2600 nits brightness level. While the outer panel comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, the handset is powered by an in-house 3nm Exynos 2500 SoC and it supports 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of onboard storage, and it runs on One UI 8 based on Android 16 out of the box. For optics, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 carries two outward-facing cameras, including a 50-megapixel main sensor with a wide-angle lens and a 2x optical quality zoom alongside a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. Placed towards the top of the main display, the phone also has a 10-megapixel selfie shooter, and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is equipped with Pro Visual Engine, which consists of several AI imaging and editing tools. The smartphone also supports the other AI features like transcript assist, note assist, call assist, and live translation. It arrives with integrated Google Gemini features and supports Google Circle to search. Other productivity features include Now Bar and Now Brief. The former is a floating bar which allows users to manage music playback, live notification, and more, while the latter can offer users a personalized rundown of their plans for the day directly from the cover screen. Samsung packs a 4300 mAh battery in the Galaxy Z Flip 7, the clamshell foldable boost, an armor aluminum middle frame, and an armor flex hinge, which is claimed to be slimmer than the hinge on the existing Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 has an IP48 dust and water resistant build, and it measures 6.5 mm in thickness when unfolded and 13.7 mm when folded, and it weighs 188 grams. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.